got the biggest man from Ace or Base. He take you with ya, he penetrate ya. You bang this motherfucker London to Jamaica.